Alright. Let's turn up this. Alright. Welcome back to another video, everybody. Carbon Coffee is back. Today, we're going to be going up from Chicago to New York City. I know you guys are thinking, Arvin, should you do a night drive to New York City from Chicago to New York? And I would say yes. Definitely yes. We're back in the 386 today. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get back on the road. First thing we gotta do, I gotta go fill up and we're gonna get some rest down the road. Oh, that's why it's always a little glitchy. Make sure we're good to go. Alright, while we're doing that, today's how-to, we're gonna be doing how to shift an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. So, we're gonna do that later when it's daytime, so that way we can get started. But yeah, comment down below how's your guys' day going, because I would love to hear it. And yeah, let's get back on the road. Traffic just flown by. But don't worry, we're gonna get the green light. You always want to make sure you're always keeping an eye on your surroundings, because if you don't, then the consequences could happen, you know. Let's go to the right lane. You want to hear this? So listen, when the engine is stopped right now, when we're at a red light, listen. Is this so wrong, 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 wrong? We'll do pay. Yeah, guys, lately diesel's been up pretty high, but I'm sure later they're gonna lower it. Just, I don't know, because obviously the economy is like, it's out of control, you know? Grocery prices, house taxes, property taxes, gas prices, everything. Alright, we're gonna some rest. We'll wake you guys up in the morning. Alright, here we go. So how to shift an 18-speed Eaton Fuller. So you got your overdrives, just like what I did in yesterday's video. We were there's just the mic, but don't worry. So starting in first gear, you're gonna shift up to second, clutch neutral, clutch gear. And I'm fully loaded right now with what cargo is this? With electronics, but if you're like really loaded, then you're gonna have to start like all the way low. And we're gonna catch up some speed. And we're in fifth gear. And when we get over about, well, we're gonna get on I-90. Oh my god, you moron. That cop almost cut me off. Thank god I flashed him. He was sleeping.
Well, I wouldn't
anyway.
keep right now for a cold beer.
Anyway. So starting at fourth gear, you're going to start at fourth gear when you're shift down a little bit because I need to merge. Alright, now we're in fourth gear. We're going to get ready to shift. Make sure, okay, we're good. And we're gonna shift up. We're in fifth gear. We're in 5 low, so we're gonna switch the the low and high switch right here. We're gonna flip it up. Not yet, but when we get to 6, actually 5 high, then we will. See how it did that? And that's how it senses really quick. Now we're gonna go to 6 gear, so we're in 6 low. Then when we get flip the gray switch, we're gonna be in 6 overdrive, which is obviously like, you know, how far is it? We're gonna get there, no problem. As long as I hit the throttle all the way, we'll be good to go. Come on. Thank you, buddy. Alright, so now we're in, see that? That was in 6 overdrive, so now we're in like 6, we're in 15th gear, which you can also call it. I gotta make it in like, it's in like 5 hours, and it's gonna be like in 5 hours, so I gotta hurry on time. I got the green light, so no problem. Anyway, so now we're gonna switch back up. We're in 7 low, and when we switch up, then we're gonna go to 7 overdrive, which is 16th overdrive. Again, however you want to call it, that's fine. I'm trying to get the turbo kicking a little more. We're at 69, but we're loaded. But the interstate takes you back to Chicago, or that'll also take you to New York, but sometimes it takes you to northbound I-294. We're doing pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. Doing 70? 70 something, we're doing 70? Alright, make sure that works. So yeah, we're gonna switch up to 8 low, and then we're gonna go up to 8 overdrive. Now that's what people call it. We're in 18th gear, which is the highest gear in an 18 speed. But if you're in a 13 speed, if you're in a 10 speed, that's the highest gear, 10 high. Then a 13 is also 13 high, 13th gear. 15 is
how's the traffic up ahead? You
yeah, come on, brother.
Pedal to the metal.
So it's doing pretty good. You can't push the pedal to the metal. And now, and then
Just a few more miles.
anyway, back in 15 speed. It's basically be 15 high. Oh, we better. Oh. Woo! Make sure you're always in neutral to get the gears going. I don't care. Dude, I gotta hurry. I'm gonna do the auto park, and then this one was a little short video day. And then the next one, well, I'm gonna keep rolling. We gotta do this drop off, and then we're gonna go all the way to late day. Anyway, I'm gonna do the auto park because we gotta hurry. how to shift an 18 speed even fuller. Now, we're gonna go pick up our other load. To Nash? Yeah, let's do that. Refrigerated cargo. Nashville, is there any other? Or is the only one? Yeah, it's the only one, but we can take it. Get a reverse. So every time when I hit the high beams, watch. Not only the high beams come on, but watch. The V-strobe lights come on. Alright. Alright, we're getting on the road. So that was a little short video how to shift an 18 speed. We gotta get all the way down to Nashville. So we're gonna go to through Galesburg, Peoria. What was that other? Was that Decatur? No, I think it was not. It's almost like real life New York. That's the Supreme Court right there. The Supreme Court place here in New York. Right there. It's also a built-in shopping mall as well, because I've been in there a few times and it was not that bad. Got a long way to go. I don't care. Alright, I better slow down right here because this cap is not even playing. Slow down right here. Go to 30. Now we're going up to 5th gear. I'm going to be also doing other videos on Roblox, like Emergency Response Liberty County. But not again, you freaking moron. Flip them off or whatever. Anyway, I'm also going to be doing like other videos of like, you know, Emergency Response Liberty County and other Roblox videos like Ultimate Driving, Greenville, Southwest Florida, but I don't know about Southwest Florida because I haven't been playing on that one for a while. But yeah, back on which thing we're on? We're on I-94 going westbound. And then we gotta get back on I-74. Actually 57. Instead of taking 3990, we're gonna take 57 to 74. Which is obviously not bad. I ain't gonna lie, this day here in Trucks in USA, like I told you guys about the updates last night, what they should do on here. But yeah, let's not worry about that. We gotta get focused on the road. What a day. See, this is the only one thing about, like, here when on I-94 westbound passing this gas station, like, every freaking time they always merge into the left lane to get in the fast lane. Like, what? You guys are not even going fast. I'm legit doing 50, 70, like, get up to, like, 75. But, yeah.
It's clear for miles.
But, yeah, anyway, how's your guys' day going, everybody? Comment down below. Comment down below what's your favorite day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I love the weekends and weekdays. You know.
I love my truck.
Oh, yeah, there you go, buddy. These jack morons are not doing a good job at driving today. Less than that. There we go. But yeah, this is more like a kind of a short video. I know yesterday I did that long video going from San Francisco to Chicago, Illinois. And yeah. This is kind of more of like an ASMR because I don't want to talk that much. Oh, I'm gonna see beyond the trucking on the 1964 Jeff Bezos. See beyond the trucking on the 1964 Jeff Bezos. See me on the trucking on the 1964 Jeffrey. I don't know if you guys watch this on TikTok. I'm sure everybody watches it today. I know you guys heard that song, See Beyond the Truckin' On. See Beyond the Truckin' On the 1964 Jeffrey. I know everybody hears this song all the time, you know. And which is pretty impressive, I ain't gonna lie. It is very interdimensional. Nah, I don't care. I'm skipping it. Yep, now welcome to Nashville, Tennessee, y'all. See me on the truckin' on the 1964 Jeffrey. Oh, that was a glitch! Oh! Dude, that was a glitch right there. That was a freaking glitch. A DUI glitch. It's actually a DI glitch. Look at this. Look at that. But that's okay. Don't worry about that. It's just a DI glitch server. It was just a DI server glitch, but don't worry about that. I did not knew that was coming. Alright, stop here. So watch this. When I'm shifting in first gear, watch what I did. When I shifted up to second gear, I was like, whoa, whoa, like that.
Just a few more miles.
No, don't. Yep, that's what I thought. Can we go through this way? I hope we can. I just, oh man. Can we? Yes, we can. Let's go. Oh, I'm sure. No, that was a 10. Oh! I knew that was coming, but. On my four ways. Nice. 8,406. Alright, that's gonna be video today. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, guys.